Hello everyone. Yeah, look at what we have here today. Rice and beans. Yay! This is one of my favorite combinations and that's what we are cooking today. I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this delicious looking and flavorful beans. I wish you were right here to perceive the flavor that's coming out of these beans. Trust me, it's so delicious. Thank you so much for connecting to this channel. My returning subscribers, a very big thank you. And if you're just connecting for your first time, you're very welcome. Please don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button to connect to this channel to get all the lovely recipes coming your way. So thank you so much. Let's do the cooking. So this is the beans. It's been boiling for some time now, about an hour to an hour 30 minutes. So it's ready now. I will take it off, remove the water, rinse the beans, and I fry it. So these are the ingredients I will be using. This is blended green pepper, fresh basil, fresh parsley, fresh coriander, and also here we have fresh chopped tomatoes. Here is blended plum tomatoes. I have boiled it to dry up the water. And here is bonga fish. And here is chopped spring onion. You can also use onion as well. I ran out of onion, so I have spring onion. That's what I will be using. You can use both onion and spring onion. Here I have some grilled beef. I just took it out of the freezer. And here is the beans. It's already boiled and the water drained and rinsed. Yeah, so this is it. And I'll be using palm oil mixed with a little bit of vegetable oil to make these beans, because I love that, you know, there's a taste that the palm oil gives and the color that I do like. I'm going in with the chopped spring onion now. Putting in the fresh tomato. I'm putting in the bonga because I didn't cook the bonga, so I'm putting it now so it can gradually get done with the tomatoes and just give it that flavor as well. And I'm going in with the plum tomato as well. Go in now with the blended mixed peppers and the fresh greens. Yeah, I'm beginning to perceive a flavor that is irresistible. So I'm just going to allow it now to cook so that the water can dry off. So I have a dry, lovely sauce. And the beef as well, since it's coming from the freezer, I'll pop it in there. So you can also cook and soak in the stew, you know, soak in the flavors. now for some time so you can gradually cook and go dry. So I'm going in now with the dry seasoning, which is white pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some curry powder, and also to mention, I have added fresh garlic and ginger inside. So I'll stir it now, then I will add seasoning cube and salt to taste. So I'm going in now with the beans and mix up everything. Just mixing everything up now. Wow, can you see? So beautiful. So this is the beans. I'll just allow it for some minutes to, simmer. So this is the beans. It's ready now. The flavor that is coming out is so good. And I'm going to be eating these beans with rice and some puff as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button to connect to this beautiful channel. Thank you. God bless you.